Hey guys, welcome to the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem where your iPhone gets stuck on install now when you're transferring your one iPhone to another, especially if you got a new iPhone. This might be having on iOS 17 or any version of iOS that you're trying to, first of all, transfer, and you get stuck on the new iPhone because it doesn't install it. Even after you click it, it just spins like that. So how do you fix this problem? Well, to show you this how to fix the problem, it's going to be really simple here. So if it's happening on a new device, first thing is you need to get out of this screen, right? This will be locked. The screen would be locked. So how do you get out of the screen? Well, in order to get out of that screen, you need to do a forced restart. So you're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and just hold this side button. So I'm going to do volume up, volume down, then I'll hold the side button. And once you do that, when you're stuck on that screen, the phone, it's going to reboot again, and then do the setup process again. And this is on the new phone that you're getting stuck on, right? So let's do that. And we're going to keep on holding this button until we see the Apple logo and then let go. So it's volume up, volume down, one after another. Make sure you do it in sequence quick, and then finally hold this side button until the Apple logo reappears, and at that time you'll let go, which will allow you to reset up your phone. It'll take you to the hello screen, and this time the hello screen here, what you're going to do is simply set up your phone without doing the transfer. So important step into this is that you're going to set the whole phone up, go connect to your Wi-Fi, right? I'm going to put in my Wi-Fi password here. Once you put in your Wi-Fi password, you're going to go through the process. This time around, because you got stuck previously, we're not going to transfer yet. We're going to transfer just in a moment. I'll show you what you need to do first and how we're going to update the phone first, and then I'll do the actual transfer. So here, it's going to say this: don't update the phone right now. Wait till update later. So do that. And then hit continue, and then set up myself. You don't need to set any of this up right now. Passcode, you don't need any of this. This is just getting to the phone. Again, don't transfer anything, right? Click on don't transfer. Don't use your Apple ID. Just simply go through this whole process. You're going to hit agree. And then you don't even need to do the download here. You're just going to hit continue. And then this, you just hit continue. Doesn't matter about this option. You can select either or. Again, set up later. Don't need to set up your cellular right now. Set up later, and then later, don't share, and continue. Finally, you get to this main screen. Now, important thing is we got to this phone. Now, it doesn't have any other information because we didn't transfer anything. That's fine. Now, this time, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Again, make sure your phone is at least 50% or more charged. Don't be like me with the 17% charge, because that, again, will fail the installation. So put your phone, again, on charger or whatever. Go into your setting of your iPhone. General software update. Now do the software update from here. First, we're going to do the software update. Make sure the phone is up to date with the latest version right here. And once you do that, we're going to go back after the phone's been updated to the latest version. This time we're going to reset the phone again, factory reset it by going to settings, general, and then go all the way down here, transfer, reset iPhone, erase all content and setting, and you shouldn't have anything here, so you can erase the phone without any issue. And this time, again, after you have updated by going to the main screen, we're going to try the transfer again this time. And the reason why this is happening is due to if there's new version of the software out and you updated maybe your older phone that you're looking to update or upgrade to already has the latest version and this phone doesn't, it can cause that install now to start spinning. That's why you have to go through this step of updating the phone first by doing a quick clean setup, and then resetting it, completely erasing everything. And then this time around, we'll do the data transfer over so that, again, the version between both phones are up to date. And that's kind of a compatibility thing. It's kind of like a bug or something, if you will. But this time around, if you're going to be transferring everything over from your old phone, you can do that without having an issue. So, again, we're just waiting for it to clean up again completely. But, again, this will take about maybe a minute or two. But you do have to do this process in order to fix that being stuck on that install now software update screen if you get to that point. So here, as you can see here, we're just waiting for it to go to the hello screen, and I'll show you. Again, you'll follow the same exact step, but this time, of course, transfer your data. So once you're back into the hello screen, simply tap in, and then here you can hit continue here, right? And then it'll start the setup process if you do it like this where it detects it, or you can just simply follow through, hold the image, and begin the transfer process. Again, this will take a little bit longer, but you get the idea, and this time your phone is up to date and you will not get stuck anymore. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.